Everyone is using AI tools, but very few people understand the system powering them. Today, I'm going to show you the hidden layer behind AI that companies are paying thousands of dollars to learn: AI infrastructure. Welcome back to Lynn Spark Studio, where we simplify digital skills, AI, and online business so you can build real opportunities online. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through AI infrastructure, what it is, how it works, and how beginners can start learning it without a tech background. By the end of this video, you'll understand how AI systems are built, deployed, and scaled in real companies, and how you can position yourself for future AI careers and automation opportunities. Let's get started. Let's talk about AI infrastructure. It starts with data collection from various sources. This data is processed by specialized hardware and software layers. Finally, it's deployed through APIs into applications we use every day. What is AI infrastructure? AI infrastructure is the technology foundation that allows artificial intelligence to run, learn, and scale. Think of a house. The apps you use are like the visible rooms. The AI models are the brain processing everything behind the scenes. And the infrastructure? That's the electricity, plumbing, and foundation making it all work. Without infrastructure, AI cannot function in real life. AI infrastructure includes data systems, computing power, storage, cloud platforms, model deployment tools, and automation pipelines. Why does AI infrastructure matter? Most creators learn the tools, not the system behind them. Businesses care about infrastructure because it helps them scale, stay reliable, and stay ahead. Understanding this can transform your approach. Run AI faster, reduce costs, scale automation, handle large data safely, deploy AI products globally. This is why AI infrastructure skills are highly paid. Core components of AI infrastructure. A. Data layer, the fuel. AI runs on data. Sources include websites, apps, customer behavior. To build smarter AI, we leverage social media analytics and business databases. We use tools like data warehouses, APIs, and data pipelines. This integration is key. Better data equals smarter AI. AI needs massive processing power. CPUs handle basic tasks. GPUs accelerate AI training. TPUs power advanced deep learning. Cloud providers offer this power without owning hardware. Most AI runs in the cloud. Popular platforms are AWS, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. The cloud provides storage, servers, and security and automatic instantly. This is the AI models layer, where machine learning lives. For example, language models, recommendation system, our infrastructure helps train, test, and update them safely. This drives our AI. After building AI, it must go live through the deployment layer. This includes APIs, web apps, mobile apps, and automation workflows. Tools like Docker, Kubernetes, and serverless platforms make a deployment layer. AI systems must be watched constantly. Teams track accuracy, speed, user behavior, errors, costs. This ensures AI keeps improving. Let's break down how AI infrastructure works. First, data is collected, then cleaned, power, and wobblice interact with it. Performance monitored, this cycle is trained repeats continuously, enhancing the AI. Let's explore how AI infrastructure works, step by step. First, data is collected and cleaned for storage. Next, models are trained and deployed to the cloud. Users interact, we monitor performance, and the system improves automatically. Real-world AI chatbots use conversations as data to train language models, which then run on cloud servers and APIs to provide smart responses. So, Conversations delivers the results. Netflix's recommendations start with your viewing habits. Our AI prediction model analyzes processing to handle billions of records. This infrastructure ensures fast, personalized suggestions. Ever wonder how Netflix knows what you'll love? It's all in the data. Your viewing habits train our AI models. This powers large-scale processing, delivering recommendation streaming. AI marketing automation starts with data, which reveals customer actions. Next, a personalization engine uses AI to tailor experiences. This creates an efficient, integrated system. It all starts with data from customer actions. Our AI personalization engine uses that data. Automation pipelines deliver seamless experiences. This is the power of AI marketing. You don't need to be an engineer to start with AI infrastructure. Begin with the basics: cloud essentials, APIs, data fundamentals, and automation tools. These skills will build advanced topics. Let's start with the intermediate level. This includes Python basics, databases, workflow automation, and AI model integration. For the advanced level, we'll cover Kubernetes, MLOps, distributed systems, and model scaling. Let's explore the tools beginners can start with. Our beginner-friendly stack includes Google Cloud and AWS free tiers, Notion plus automation tools like Zapier, OpenAI, and the Dashads. These are all accessible and easy to integrate. High-demand roles in AI infrastructure include AI operations specialist, cloud engineer, AI automation consultant, data engineer, MLOps engineer, and AI product manager. These roles combine tech and business thinking. You don't need a big company. Creators can build automated content pipelines, AI email marketing systems, smart analytics dashboards, auto lead generation funnels, and AI customer support bots. This turns content into scalable systems. Welcome to the Beginner Roadmap, your 90-day plan for cloud computing. Month 1 is Foundations. Learn cloud basics, understand APIs, and practice automation. This builds the core skills for your tech career. Welcome to Month 2, AI integration. Let's dive in. Connect your AI tools using APIs and SDKs. Then, build workflows to automate your processes. Finally, create simple AI apps like chatbots. Let's look at an example. Month 3 is about infrastructure thinking. Deploy your projects, monitor performance, and optimize your systems. This ensures your business is built on a solid, scalable foundation for long-term growth. Common mistakes beginners make: learning tools without understanding systems, ignoring data structure, overcomplicating tech stack, not testing automation, and skipping monitoring. Keep systems simple first. The future of AI infrastructure is here, and the trends are coming fast. AI agents will run businesses with automated cloud scaling, personal assistance, and real-time decision systems. AI tools make you productive. AI infrastructure makes you powerful. Once you understand how AI systems are built and deployed, you stop being just a user and become a creator of intelligent systems.